In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on iMessage on your iPhone. iMessage is a messaging service provided by Apple that allows you to send messages to other Apple users for free. It uses an internet connection or Wi-Fi instead of your cellular plan's text messages. It's a great way to stay connected with friends and family who also have iPhones. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Once you've found it, tap on it. Now all you have to do next is toggle on this switch next to iMessage. And now you've successfully enabled iMessage on your iPhone, and you can send and receive messages. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.